Enigma, and I'm about ready to do the Master Luck Challenge with JC. Alright. Oh.
Is he gonna break it? That's the question. Tomorrow there's about to be a flip over. JC's in trouble. The fans are chanting JAC, 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 JAC. The Master Lock Challenge here on Spotlight TV. JC not giving up. Why are you trying to pull apart his hands on his head, on top of your head? Go for his hands. The Master Lock Challenge. This is the longest one ever on Spotlight TV. Oh shit. Is he gonna tap? Is he gonna tap? Oh shit! And the winner is the Enigma! How you feel about that?
It was pretty fun. Good job.
How you feel about that?
Oh, I feel good. He's pretty powerful, but I guess just not quite powerful enough.
Choose your destiny.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Spotlight TV, and we're about ready to see your host, Christian Lestat attempt the Master Lock Challenge against JC.
Are you ready?
Yeah, bring it.
Alright, up. But you're not oiled, are you? Alright, up.
Just come on. Bring it.
Wait, well, I'm not locked yet. It's locked.
Oh, shit.
It's locked.
Oh, you almost got it, man. There you go. How do you feel, Christian? JC just escaped your Master Luck Challenge.